Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I finally got some new gadgets to take my content creation to the next level. And guess what guys, we are unboxing this package together. Though this might look small to someone out there, but to me, it's a huge achievement because it's a symbol of growth, hard work, and faith. And I feel so grateful thanks to YouTube monetization. Will you believe me if I told you that I started this channel you're watching me with absolutely no gadget at all? I mean, no tripod, no mic, no ring light, nothing. The only thing I have is my Android phone, which I am using to make this video right now. And guess what? With just this phone, I started this channel. I started making videos. I post consistently, and eventually this channel got monetized. So, you see the reason why I am so excited getting this new gadgets? So guys, let's see what's inside this nylon, okay? Okay guys, here is the first gadget I got. An L16 selfie stick tripod. Long. Congratulations to me. This tripod is very strong, portable, and lightweight. You can move around with it anywhere you want to go to. It's very easy to carry along, okay? So let's open it together. Wow, this is so beautiful. Can you see that? This is a multi-purpose tripod, okay? If your content is vlogging, you see the way it is like this, you can move around with it, easily, So you can place it on the table, just like this, okay? You will just fix your phone here. On this other side, you will fix your phone here, So you fix your phone here, okay? And you can make it long if you want. I think this is about 1.5 meters long. I mean the height, okay? You can make it very long. You can make it very long like this. From the ground down, you can make it, okay? Yes. You just fix your phone here. And you can rotate it. Either you want it to be this way, or you screw it here and adjust it, okay? This is how it is. It's really beautiful, okay? So whichever way you want, either you want it on your table or you want it long, okay? Whichever way you want it, you can adjust it. So this one here is a hand stabilizer. You can use it to rotate around like a 360 if you want, Now look at this. Wow. This is a Bluetooth remote control, okay? You will connect it with the Bluetooth on your phone, okay? And with this, you can just press record to start recording yourself without having to go close to your phone to click on record. And you can equally do the same when you want to stop recording yourself, okay? You will just switch it off here. Switch it off here. There's a tiny light that is showing here. You just switch it off or switch it on, okay? This lets you the stress of going to your phone to click on record before you can start recording yourself. With this, you just stand wherever you are and you control it. You press record and it will just start recording your videos for you, okay? So that is it for the tripod. Now, the next thing I got is this beautiful mic. Wow, this mic looks so slicky. Now I don't have to struggle with background noise or shouting at the camera so that I can be heard. I can already imagine how much clearer my voice will sound now, okay? Just look at it. It's a 2-in-1 mic, okay? We have it too. It's a 2-in-1 mic, okay? You can clip it any way you want to clip it on your clothes, okay? Any way you want on your clothes, okay? And it equally has a cord that you will use to charge the mic, okay? You can just fix it like this and you connect it. You charge your mic. And this mic goes a long way to filter background noise. So that is it for the mic, okay? And yes, this is me celebrating this little achievement of mine. I know to someone out there, a tripod and a mic may look too small, but to me, it's really huge because I started without any of this. So, honestly, I'm actually making this video to encourage someone out there not to give up on your YouTube journey. Even if you feel your videos are not getting lots of views or that the growth is so slow, please don't give up. The difference between people who succeed and people who quit is simple: consistency. So keep showing up, keep creating. Even if your videos aren't perfect yet, people will connect with your passion and your message. And also, don't give up simply because you don't have a fancy studio setup or you don't have tripod or fancy phone or ring light, okay? I started this channel, like I said, with just one thing, which is my Android phone. My channel grew and I got monetized. And that taught me a powerful lesson, that quality content comes first. Well, gadgets will improve your quality, fine, but they will never replace your creativity. Rather, your consistency, the value you put out there, your passion are the things that will really push you forward. So just start with what you have, even if it's just your phone, okay? Create valuable content, share your knowledge, teach something, tell stories. Whatever you do, just start. As time goes on, your videos will pick up. And I hope this video encourages someone. Don't give up. Don't wait for perfect conditions before you start, okay? Just begin with what you have and the rest will fall in place. If you found this video motivating and helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below to encourage someone else. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, because trust me, this journey is just getting started. See you guys in the next video.